Hi, today we are going to see how to create a dynamic URL in the REST v2 connection. Agenda. We're going to see the steps how you are going to create a dynamic URL in REST v2 connection in IICS and a small demo and a short summary. So, if you need to create a REST v2 connection, always you be need in creating a Swagger. In this part, we need a dynamic URL in the structure. So the first step is to create the Swagger. So usually we will create the Swagger by giving the details of the particular API in the Swagger page, and we will create. But in this particular dynamic URL, you need to give the URL as a parameter like the attached snippet. Here you can able to see the custom ID, right? Like this. Here you can give the particular parameter which you will dynamically change in the URL. And then you need to create the Swagger with the help of a JSON response from the particular response of the API demo. So in this demo, I am going to create a Swagger that we're going to make a particular parameter in the URL dynamic. So for that, I given the name here, given the URL, the kind of method I'm going to use, the base path and the path. In the base path or the path, wherever you want to parameterize dynamically a URL or a parameter, you can give that here. And don't forget to give the operation ID. Once give everything the important step to upload the particular JSON. Here in this scenario, I have done it. So let me save it. So I have tried before with the same name. That's the reason it got error. Here it successfully created the particular Swagger file. So after the Swagger file generator, we need to check the structure of the Swagger. Here the ID I have given, right? It is coming as a path. This is the expected output we are seeking in the Swagger. Under the parameters, it should come as ID and path. Summary. I am attaching a particular KB where you can see more information on this particular Swagger generation and giving once the Swagger is generated, just as usual, store it in a particular agent where you're going to configure the connection and you are good to go. Feedback. If you have any feedback on this video, we love to hear that. Please mention that feedback in the mentioned support video at informatica.com email ID or else our Twitter account info support. Thank you.